So here you can see the parts of an electric motor. So here you can see battery. Then here you can see two graphite brushes. Then here you can see two rings, R1 and R2. The name of these two rings is split rings. If we cut a ring into two parts, then it becomes split rings. So R1 and R2 are the two split rings, and these two split rings can able to rotate. Okay, but these brushes B1 and B2 are constant. They will not move. Okay, they are fixed. They will not move. R1 and R2 can move. After that you can see this, there is a coil, and the name of this coil is armature. So armature means it is a metallic coil wound round a soft iron core is known as armature. So if we wound a metallic coil around a soft iron, then it becomes armature. So similar to this solenoid, this is armature. And why we are using this armature instead of a copper wire is, this armature increases the magnetic field strength. Therefore we are using this armature instead of a copper wire. And here you can see the armature ABCD, and here you can see the two magnetic poles. Two permanent magnetic poles are kept here, and this armature is kept in between the two magnetic poles in a direction perpendicular to the magnetic field lines. So on passing current through this armature, what happens? We learned that in previous classes we saw, whenever current passes through a conductor, there generates a magnetic field. So what happens here? A magnetic field will be generated around this armature, and that magnetic field will interact with the external magnetic field. So during this interaction, this armature will experience a force, and due to this force, this armature starts to rotate. Okay, so here you can see the electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. So in an electric motor, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. See, here you can see the same diagram. This is a power supply. Here you can see the split rings and brushes, the armature, and the north and south poles. So whenever the current passes through this armature, what happens? It rotates, and the rotation leads to mechanical energy. So electrical energy converts into mechanical energy in electric motor. So this motor is used in fans, mixies, and many other devices. So all these are devices are working on the basis of this motor. So in your textbook you can see the same picture. So here what is armature is given. Armature is a metallic coil wound around a soft iron core so that it is free to rotate. So here you can see the armature, and now let us see how this armature rotates on current is passed through it. Okay. So here you can see. See, this is a positive end and this is the negative end, and this positive end is connected to the brush B1 and negative end is connected to the brush B2. So when the current, so here you can see the current passes from positive end to negative end. So the current moves along to this direction, and here you can see at the end AB the current moves upwards, means current moves from A to B. And at this point, if we apply Fleming's left hand rule, we can see in which direction this AB experiences force. Okay, so here you can see the magnetic field